Alright, so this is the magnet detector circuit built on a regular breadboard, and it uses a 555 timer in the middle. You can zoom in there. 3 capacitors, 1 resistor. We have the coil up here and the speaker. Look at the whole thing from above. Let me hook up the power. Let me focus the camera here. So we have the tone on, and then when you move the magnets over the coil, you can hear the difference. So you are inducing, and you can hear a different tone if you move. See, that was connected over here. So we had 4D batteries, 4D batteries in series. Now here we'll put 3. Right? So you get a lower tone. But if you use only 2 batteries, it's just not quite enough. You only get that. There's nothing really as a response. And let's go back to 4. So we're just sensing the magnetic field as it moves over the coiled wire, sending the current through the circuit, which we're hearing through the speaker as a difference in the tone. When we move it back and forth, it's like a vibration tone. All right. I hope you had a lot of fun learning about this magnet detector, and have lots of fun learning about electronics. Take care, everyone.